Hello guys, so on this video I used London and I cut it 2 times, then it gave me 3 pieces. So I was doing knotless braids, that is the normal length for a school child. So here I was already started braiding and now I'm showing you the tutorial. It's so very easy. Already I used my gel. Now I was separating my hair into 3. After separating it, you started to plait the normal way you braid. I think it was 3 times. Then you start to take your hairpiece, you add it from top, you just spread it on top, then you continue braiding. It's so very easy. Make sure you hold the braid tight so that it won't show the loop on it on top. So you take your hairpiece again. So now it depends on how thickness you want your braids to be, so you continue adding until the thickness you want. So it's so very easy. Then when you're doing something like afro hair, you continue applying gel so that your hair, to lay down your hair in the braid so that your hair will not show, the client's hair will not show in the braid. So you can see I was braiding and braiding. Yo guys, I like London. It comes out so smart and neat. You see I was braiding down. That's the thickness I wanted because your hair was thick. So this is the second one. Again, I was trying to show you how I portion the hair first, then I applied the gel, as you can see, not too much. Then after I started to braid. Please bear with me, I'm still learning this, taking videos, so some of the clips they are not bright, but as time goes on I'll make nice videos. Thank you guys for your love and support. Here I was on halfway, then here I'm done. Look at this guys, so very nice. And we dip the ends in hot water. Thank you guys for your love and support. Don't forget to love, like and share.